Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. I know I do these a lot, but I just love buying stuff from the Dollar Tree. They have so many affordable goodies. So I have a mixture of skincare, makeup, I have miscellaneous things, nail things, bath things, literally everything. Some products that I actually needed to stock up on, but others, they're just cute. Okay, so let's just talk about it. If you want to see what I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. First product is from, I think it's Bolero. Literally don't know. It says coconut scented hand sanitizer spray. I have a feeling it's from Bolero because that's how their packaging looks, but it is a hand sanitizing spray. Literally need some everywhere. I have some in my purse, in my car, so it doesn't hurt to have excess hand sanitizer sprays, especially when they look this cute. So yeah, definitely needed to pick this up. It looks like they had two other scents, but they were sold out and they only had this scent available, so I kind of want to try it out. It is sealed, thankfully. Handy dandy little knife from Temu. Let's go ahead and spray some on. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I could have sworn I saw something else that came in this kind of scent, coconut scented, I don't know, but it is so cute and it smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in my purse so I can leave it in my car because it's so cute. There are miscellaneous things. Me and my boyfriend have noticed that at my local Dollar Trees they don't have a whole lot of toothpaste. I don't know why. It's like, is everyone kind of stocking up on toothpaste right now? I don't know, but I saw these and I like using different kinds. So we have the Crest Plus Scope Outlast situation. I hope I like them, but I picked up two of these. You can never have enough toothpaste. Next, I picked up some press-on nails. You guys know I cannot go without my press-on nails. These white ones, they are stiletto white nails, are also from the Dollar Tree. So cute. I love the press-on nails. So we have two different pairs. We have these from Sevenail and includes 12 nails in each little box. So I picked up two so I can do a full set and have them match exactly. So we have this first set here, which have like little butterflies on them. They look stunning, and I never really do blue nails a whole lot, so I thought these were going to be kind of different for me, so I picked up again two. So these are the other pair, also blue. I don't know why I was feeling blue blue, but these looks really intriguing. So sometimes nails look like kind of questionable, but once you throw them on they look amazing and so cute. So picked up these as well. Should we do like skincare things? We have the Sassy Chic Makeup Vanishing Towel. This looks so cute. It has like little lemons on it. I've been really thinking about going through my skincare and just like decluttering because I have some old stuff in there that I never use. I have things that I forget about. A lot of those products are from the Dollar Tree, so I kind of want to do that before I open this, but it's so cute. It has little lemons on it. It's pink and it's just really adorable, and they had a couple other kind of variations of this little towel, so I picked that up. Let me know if you want to see a skincare declutter. I don't know if that's like exciting or if you guys want to see it at all, but let me know. I also picked up this from Beauty Collection and it's their makeup remover towel. Also came in like 3 other colors. I went ahead and picked the purple one. More like skincare vibes, we have a loofah. I cannot pass up on this. It looks so cute and it looks very nice and like scruffy, so it's gonna really get in there and scrub my skin. This is from April Bath and Showers and it is their bath sponge. So cute, love it. All right, so they had a bunch of new like skincare products from Global Beauty Care. So this is a brand that I haven't heard the greatest things about. Let me know if you've used this brand before, but they had a whole lot of new skincare things. So we have this one here, the Smooth and Lift Collagen Facial Cleanser with peptides, hyaluronic acid, and squalene. So it looked really intriguing, so I was like, why not, girl? Let's just try it out and see my thoughts. On the back you get all the other information, you get the ingredients. It lets you know what each product does. It has collagen. It says it helps renew, tighten, plump. Peptides, what the peptides do. Hyaluronic acid, squalene, it gives you the ingredients, it tells you how to use it, it gives you a warning, so everything is on the actual tube. Next we have the Smooth and Lift Collagen Skin Cream, which looks like so. I haven't opened this. There's a look at the skin cream. Let's see how it looks on the, oh girl, it's open already. Okay, smells like nothing. Interesting. Okay, cannot wait to try it, and I love it that they went with this like light blue, almost aqua color for their packaging. Next we have an eye cream, and this is their Smooth and Lift Collagen Eye Cream. Again, it comes with collagen, it has peptides, hyaluronic acid, squalene, has the same information on the back of the box. This is definitely coming in handy, girl, if you watch my Temu haul. It's just like really sharp. There's a look at the eye cream. Eye cream has definitely been coming in clutch, especially again after my shower. I like to go in with my skincare, do some skincare vibes, everything, because I just feel really nice and clean, almost like a clean slate. So I like to go in with eye cream and it just massage it with my finger and it feels so good. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up. And lastly, from that same line, we have the Smooth and Lift Collagen Facial Serum. And this one again has all the same ingredients on the back, and also is fragrance free, sulfate free, silicone free, alcohol free, not tested on animals, for all skin types. It also does give back to the community and pH balanced, and literally has all the information on the box. This is the only product that didn't come in this blue kind of color. It's just a clear kind of moment. It looks really intriguing. Again, to Smooth and Lift Collagen Facial Serum. It says Global Beauty Care. That's the brand. It looks so intriguing. We have a couple of hair kind of products. We have their snap clips from Fashion, and I've been seeing these a lot at the Dollar Tree, and I just thought, why not, girl, let's pick it up. We could do a cute like girly pinky get ready with me video where I could use these in my hair. So I picked 2 of those up. I also saw these for whenever I want to put my hair up in little like space buns. These are just also from the same brand, Fashion. They're kind of like coming off, I don't know, but I've actually spoken about these before and I really love them. Really cute. I don't think they're gonna last too long, but these are just 2 poofy little scrunchies in a pink color. They're so cute. I saw that they had a little like sale going, like a little clearance area. So this little headband retailed for 75 cents, and it literally is like the same one that I'm wearing now, almost that like Sherpa kind of material. Really cute, and again only 75 cents, and it is just a couple shades lighter than the one that I'm wearing. Really nice, really comfortable. It doesn't give me a headache, and I just love pairing it with different outfits and, you know, hairstyles. It's just so cute. Lastly, let's talk about makeup. I went ahead and picked up these 2 products. We have the LA Colors Powder Blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks. If you guys saw my Get Ready With Me video, I actually used the light pink one and it didn't show up on my skin. So I wanted to try this darker pink shade just to see how it works. And we can actually give it a swatch. There's a look at that color. This one again is in Sweet Cheeks. I go ahead and swatch. Yeah, that looks so cute. I also picked up this foundation from New Color, and this is their moisturizing foundation in the shade Medium 1. I don't think I've tried this, so that's why I picked it up. I don't remember trying this foundation. Hopefully I didn't. There's a close-up look at that. Go ahead and film another full face of Dollar Tree part 3 using all these new products, and I'll probably try out some of the little scrunchies that I talked about as well. So that is it for this video. That is everything that I picked up from a Dollar Tree. Let me know if you've seen any of these products. Let me know if your Dollar Tree has newer products. Sometimes mine's kind of like lack, okay girl, and then all of a sudden they throw in all the new products at once. So these are the ones that I found, and again, let's look in that clearance area because sometimes they have some cute stuff. That is it. Let me know what you are excited to see in my next full face of Dollar Tree video. Let me know if you've seen anything new again at your Dollar Tree, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.